A rotational axis with a 4-cam self-centering chuck. The model is completely functional and made out of plastic. It has 2 gears which are switched with a toggle at the back side, opposite the engine. I'm attaching a flag to the engine shaft, so that you can see how the gears are working. That is underdrive. And this is overdrive. Do not switch gears while the engine is working. Even in a plastic design, the chuck can't fix a detail in place. The kit also contains reverse cams. The chuck can be installed facing the engine or in the opposite direction, whichever you prefer.